Okay, kids. Hello and welcome to your English course. I'm Miss Berenice. I'll be happy to help you through this lesson. This is week 2, class 3, telling the time. Some reminders. Please remember that for your English class you need: take out your material activity book, class book on your desk. Read and listen to the instructions. Watch the videos and do the activities. Ask questions to the teacher by call when you need help. Okay? Let's start. This is class 3, telling the time. The main objective is to tell the time. Okay, so let's go to the next part. Let's see, what do we have? Okay, everybody, let's think. Is time important? What do you do in your free time? So you have to answer, okay, these questions. For example, yes, time is very important. What do you do in your free time? Oh, I like to play video games in my free time. Okay? Okay, now we're gonna discover how to tell the time. We're gonna go to this link. Okay, and this will lead us to here. Okay, we're gonna go to this link. This is telling the time by games2learnenglish.com. Okay, everybody listen, pay attention carefully, okay?
O'clock. 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
It's 3:15.
It's 3:15.
It's 3:30.
It's 3:30.
It's 4:45.
It's 4:45.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. So we can see that every single time that we have the long hand on 12, it's o'clock, okay? This is 4 o'clock. What happens if the long hand is in 3, on 3? These are 15 minutes, okay? Or a quarter. So you have to say it's 4:15 because it has passed 15 minutes or a quarter from 4 p.m. Okay?
It's 4:15.
It's 4:15. Now tell me the next. It's 4:30. Why? Because 30 minutes is half an hour. So as it is half an hour, you say that a half an hour has passed since 4. It's 4:30.
It's 4:30.
Next. Oh, what happened here? Now it's not 4 anymore. Yes, it is 4, but there are like 15 minutes. 15 minutes left to what hour? There are 15 minutes to 5. So that's why if I have to say 15 minutes to 5, I have to say
it's 4:45.
It's 4:45 because we need a quarter of hour or 15 minutes to 5. Okay? And next?
It's 4:45.
And next?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Okay? Very good. Excellent. Now let's remember. This is 5 o'clock. Next. It's 5:15, right?
It's 5:15.
Very good. Next. It's
5:30.
It's 5:30. Next.
It's 5:45.
It's 5:45. Okay? Very good. Excellent. And then
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Okay, let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation. Let's go to the presentation, okay? And what we have to do now is that we are going to answer the question, okay? What time is it? It's 3:45. Which one or which of these clocks is 3:45? Letter A, letter B, or letter C? What do you say? It's 3:45. It means that we need 15 minutes or a quarter to be 4 o'clock. So it's 3:45. Letter A, B, or C? Letter A. Excellent. Let's continue. The next. What time is it? 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Okay, which one of these clocks? Letter A, letter B, or letter C? What do you say? 3 o'clock. Yes, excellent. It was letter A. Very good. Continue. What time is it? It's 2:30. It's 2:30. A 2:30 means that a half an hour has passed since 2 o'clock, okay? So it's 2:30. Which one is it? A, B, or C? What do you say? 2:30? No, right? 2:30? No. And this? 2:30? Yes. Okay, so it's letter C. Very good. Again, what time is it? It's 7:45. It's 7:45. It's 7:45. It means that we need a quarter of hour or we need 15 minutes to be 8 o'clock. Okay? So, A, B, or C? What do you say? 7:45? It's 7:45? No, right? It's 7:45? Yes, it's 7:45. Very good. Now, remember that in English we can say it's 7:45 or it's 7:45. Both of them are possible and both of them are correct, okay? You can say it's 7:45 or it's 7:45. Both of them are possible. Both of them are correct. Okay, now let's go to our book on page 8. Let's go to the activity 1. Look, listen, and repeat. We have to look at the clocks. We have to listen this audio, and we have to repeat, okay? But first, this is 12, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? And this is the short hand, this is the long hand, right? Okay, everybody, let's listen.
Listening 1.11. Look, listen, and repeat.
It's 7 o'clock. It's 7:15. It's 7:30. It's 7:45.
Okay, so the first one was it's 7 o'clock because you see that it's 7 o'clock, right? 7 o'clock. Here, it's 7:15 because 15 minutes have passed since 7 o'clock. Okay, so it's a quarter or it's 7:15. In here, it's 7:30 because half an hour or 30 minutes have passed since 7 o'clock. And here, it's 7:45 because it means that there are 15 minutes till 8. Okay, so 15 minutes to be 8 o'clock. It's 7:45. Okay, it's not 8 yet. Okay, well, it's 7:45. Okay, everybody, now let's
Listening
go.
1.
Let's go to the class book, page 8, activity 2. So the next activity, okay? We're gonna listen and we're gonna read this.
Listening 1.12. Listen, read and answer.
We measure time in hours, minutes and seconds. Listen. How many seconds is this?
We tell the time with clocks. This is a digital clock. What's the time?
This clock has got a face and 2 hands. The big hand shows minutes and the small hand shows hours. Point to the big hand. Point to the small hand. What's the time?
This clock has got 3 hands. The red hand shows seconds. It moves very fast. What's the time?
Okay, everybody, so we have seen these two are called analog clocks, and this is a digital clock, okay? Everybody, repeat after me, digital clock. And these are analog clock, analog clock, digital clock, analog clock. Okay, now what about this clock? This clock has got a face and 2 hands, a face and 2 hands. The big hand shows minutes and the small hand shows hours, okay? So what is the time here? You have to answer, okay? So it is almost 2 o'clock, right? In here, letter C. This clock has got 3 hands, right? So 3 hands. This small hand is hours, the long hand is minutes, and the red hand shows seconds. Okay? Very good. Now let's answer those questions. On the first one, what's the time? 8 o'clock. The second one, what's the time? Maybe we could say that it's a 1:45, almost 1:45. Okay, and in here, what do you say? It's 10:15, right? Very good, everybody. Very good job. Okay, let's go to our class book, page 8. Now the activity 3. What do you have to do? You have to look at the watches, read and identify the clocks. Okay, we have to read these statements and we have to recognize, we have to identify which is the clock they are talking about. So let's read the first one. This clock says 8 o'clock. Which one of these is 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock. Letter A, B, or C? Letter A, excellent. Number 2, this clock has got 3 hands. 3 hands. A, B, or C? C, very good. Next, this clock is a digital clock. Digital clock. A, B, or C? A, excellent. Number 4, this clock has got 2 hands. A, B, or C? B, excellent. Very good. Good job. Now, what we have to do is we have to go to the class book, page 9, activity 1. We're gonna listen and identify what are the clocks they are talking about, okay?
Listening 1.13. Listen and say which clock.
Good morning. Time to get up.
Why? What's the time?
It's 7:30.
Oh.
Okay, the first one. What is the first? It's 7:30, right? It's 7:30. Yes, that was the time. Or maybe yes, 7:30, right? So which one is the clock? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, or number 6? What do you think? Number 3, right? Excellent. Let's continue listening.
Excuse me, what's the time?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
Oh, it's 2:45.
And here's the bus.
What did you hear? It's 2:45, right? Let's listen again.
Me? What's the time?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
Oh, it's 2:45.
And here's the bus.
Yes, it's 1:45. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Number 4. Yes, excellent. Very good. You did a great job.
What's the time?
It's 10:30.
It's break time.
Okay, everybody, now what time is it? It's 10:30, right? 10:30. So that is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, or number 6. What do you say? It's number 2. Yes, it's number 2.
Hurry up.
Wait a minute.
Come on. It's 3:30. We're late.
Okay, the next is 3:30. Which one is 3:30? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6? Which clock? Clock number 5, right? Because in here it's 3:30. Very good.
What's the time?
It's 5 o'clock.
Great. Time for my favorite program.
Okay, it's 5 o'clock. Which one is 5 o'clock? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6? Clock number 6. Very good. Excellent.
Come on, kids. Breakfast time.
Good. I'm hungry.
What's the time?
It's 8:15.
Okay, so what's the time? It's 8:15. 8:15. So that is number 1. Very good, everybody. You did a great job. Now, this activity, in the same activity, let's point and answer. Number 1, it's 8:15. You have to answer. You have to tell me what time is it or what's the time in each one of these clocks, okay? First clock, it's 8:15. Second clock, what time is it? It's 10:30. Very good, because it has passed half an hour from 10. Yes. Next, number 3. What time is it? Or what's the time? Both of them are possible, okay? What's the time? It's 7:30. Excellent. It's 7:30. Number 4. What time is it? Or what's the time? It's 1:45. It's 1:45. Very good. Next, number 5. What time is it? Or what's the time? It's 4:30 or 3. I'm sorry. It's 3:30. Yes, it's 3:30. Okay, 3. It's 3:30. Very good. Next, this one. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. Very good. Excellent. You did a great job. Great. Thank you. I'll see you next class.